Welcome! In this tutorial you will learn how to prepare a file. First of all, export the file from your store platform. This is the only step that is up to you, as each commerce platform and different marketing tools will have different ways to storing and sharing your existing contact database. The important thing here is that you get a spreadsheet that will contain at least a column of email addresses. It is worth to note there is no limit of the number of contacts you can have in your database. Now, it is time to configure the spreadsheet to be processed correctly by the eDrone system. The file you previously exported may contain additional columns that are not necessary. You can leave those that you will actively use in eDrone. We strongly recommend using the columns with email address, first name, last name, and subscription status. Others such as country, city, customer status change, gender, and more are just optional. Once you have organized your spreadsheet, you will need to save it with a CSV, XLS, or XLSX format file. If you save the file as CSV, make sure that the values in the file are separated by commas or semicolons at the UTF-8 encoding. If any other encoding format is detected, the import will automatically fail. Don't use special characters, including periods, in the file name. If you save the file as XLS or XLSX and you choose to import files in either of these formats, you must that no column or row can be left blank. If any column or row is left unfilled, you will see an error and your import will fail. Subscription status column. If your file contains a column corresponding to subscription statuses, make sure it contains the right interpretation. Subscribers must be assigned with 1 for subscribe, 0 for unsubscribe, and blank field is treated as status unknown. If your file contains a different interpretation of subscription statuses, for example, quote subscribers, use the find and replace the function in the spreadsheet, assign them with 1s. Analogize with the other statuses. Best practices for formatting the database are enter first and last name in a separate columns. This way, you will be able to send personal messages using just the person first name. For example, hey Mary, instead of the full name, hi Marianne Smith. Remove all the columns that will not be imported in your CRM. For example, address, social security number, and more. Remove all duplicates. During the import, our system will automatically detect duplicate emails and ignore them. So this is not required. However, it helps to keep the files as light as possible. And that's it. A file prepared this way, it is sure to be imported correctly into the system. If you need help, also check out the tutorial on importing database. So on that topic, you will find our FAQ.